Hey guys, welcome back in my new video. Today in this video, I'm gonna build this Iron Man Arc Reactor with RGB effects. So before starting this video, let's talk about today's video sponsor and 3D printed parts manufacturer. This video is brought to you in association with PCBWay. PCBWay is one of the popular PCB manufacturer in the world. They provide high quality PCB with fast turnout times and cost effective solutions. Their advanced assembly service provides flawless result to a project. Beyond PCB manufacture, they also provide CNC machining, 3D printing and stencil manufacturing for complete project solutions. For ordering 3D printed parts, I just drag and drop the files and check the parameters and save to cart for instant checkout. After a week, I receive my package and it comes with nice packaging. And the quality of the 3D printed parts are top notch. Here I have already installed a Wled firmware in my ESP32. If you don't know how to install Wled firmware into ESP32, then must watch my previous video for full information. Check link in the description.
dodo, but I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
I say all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Oh my.
Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision in the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought.
Hey, cause this cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the few, I get 50 to my G.